Today, our first animal is gonna be show us. It's gonna be donkey,
And what else?
cat, dog, rabbit, goat, sheep, chicken, and goose, camel.
You have to say it
Pig.
louder.
Pig, duck, cow. That's all of them.
Okay?
Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki
And my name is Agina.
and we are with
Tony.
Good.
Today we are going to be talking about
Animals.
Animals. And we're going to be talking about domestic animals and wild animals.
Yeah.
So I'll give you the domestic animal name in English
Yeah.
and then we'll discuss the name in Luo. Okay?
Okay.
We'll start with donkey. Donkey. Is it donkey?
donkey.
Donkey. You say
Donkey.
donkey.
No, you say donkey,
Mhm.
donkey.
Donkey. Now donkey is called kanyna. Say kanyna.
Kanyina.
Kanyna.
Kanyina.
Nikia uskiki.
Kanyina.
Kanyna.
Kanyina.
Now the other one is cat. A cat is called paka.
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 Paka. Say paka.
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 Or you can say nyambura.
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 Nyambura. Together?
Nyambura.
Yes. Now the other one is guok. Guok is called dog. Dog is called guok.
Guok.
Say guok.
Guok.
Again.
Guok.
Good. Another one is a rabbit. A rabbit is called apuoyo.
Apoyo.
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 A goat is called DL.
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 No, we say it together.
DL.
Yeah. Then sheep is called rombo.
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 Together.
Rombo. And now you see the tail of a sheep.
Yes.
It's called sembe yim.
Sembe yim.
Sembe. Yim.
Sembe yim.
Sembe.
Yim.
Wait, no, let's say it together.
Sembe Yim.
Yeah. And now the chicken is called. You see there's a cock and there is a what?
Hen.
A hen. The cock is called thorn.
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 Together.
Thorn.
And the hen is called nyaburi.
Nyamburi.
Nyamburi.
Nyaburi.
Together.
Nyaburi. Okay. And pig is anguro.
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 Again.
Anguro.
Duck is atudo.
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 And the other way of calling duck is oyoyo.
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 Oyoyo. Again.
Oyoyo.
Okay. Cow
Yeah.
is called diang.
I'm going to say the rest again.
Diang.
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 No, let's say diang.
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 Together.
Diang.
Now the small, you know the calf? The calf,
Yeah, it's
the
called
young one of a cow
Yeah.
is called roya.
The baby of a cow.
I said I was going to say the rest. Wow.
So roya is called, you know the calf?
Yeah.
The calf is called roya. Say roya.
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 Again?
Roya.
Roya.
Good. A cow which has given birth is called duasi.
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 Say again.
Duasi.
Duasi. That's a cow which has given birth. A cow which has long horns. If it has long horns, it's called randiga.
Rambinga.
Randiga. Say randiga.
Rambinga.
Ra.
Ra.
Ndi.
Di.
Ndi.
Ndi.
Ga.
Ga.
Randiga.
Radiga.
Randiga.
Randiga.
Nikki, say randiga.
Randiga.
Yes, that's a cow which has long.
Together.
Randiga.
Now, a cow that is giving you milk every day is called der chak. Say der chak.
Der chuck.
Der chuck.
Yes, der chak. Together?
Der chuck.
And now, you see the bushy tail of a cow?
Yes.
That bushy tail is called orengo.
Orango.
Orango.
Together?
Orango.
Good. Now, let's talk about a camel. Is it a camel or a camel?
A camel.
A camel?
Yeah.
A camel.
A camel is called a luo luo.
Aluo luo.
Aluo luo.
Aluo luo.
Aluo luo.
Aluo luo.
Aluo luo.
Together.
A
luo luo.
And then a goose is called a toot oyoyo.
A toot oyoyo.
A toot oyoyo.
Together?
A toot oyoyo.
Yeah. So we'll start looking at wild animals.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Wild animals. And we start with the what?
Zebra.
A zebra. A zebra is called what? Maguar.
Maguar.
Say maguar.
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 Again? Maguar.
Maguar.
Together again?
Maguar.
Wait.
Lion. This is what?
Yes.
That's a lion?
Lion is called Bin.
No. It's called this. What's this?
Sluba.
Sibur.
Sibor.
Sibor.
A lion is called?
Sibor. Can you just stop looking
Now.
at me?
Snake. We're looking at the microphone, not looking at you. Snake is called thuol.
Tholi.
Can you say thuol?
Thol.
Thuol. Again?
Thol.
Thuol. So snake is called thuol.
Together.
Thuol. Baboon. You know baboon?
Yes.
A baboon is called, read this.
Bim.
Beam. Yes. A baboon is called?
Bim.
Together?
Bim.
Yes. A giraffe. A giraffe is called?
Tiga.
Tiga. Yes, correct. So, a giraffe is called?
Tiga.
Together?
Tiga.
Some people call it a luo luo conglo.
Aluo luo cordilo.
Conglo.
Congolo.
Say a luo luo conglo.
Aluo luo congolo.
A luo luo conglo. Yes. Say it a luo luo conglo to Nikki.
Aluo luo conglo.
A luo luo conglo.
Aluo luo conglo.
Yes. A lizard. A lizard is called what? Can you read this?
Ego.
Ogueyo.
Aguayo.
Say
Ogueyo.
Aguayo.
Ogueyo.
And together, let's
It
say it
doesn't
together.
even have a woo sound.
Yeah, because it's a W. You know, like Luo, you say things differently.
Yeah.
So, wo,
Together.
wo is a W in Luo.
Together.
So you say
Ogueyo.
Buffalo. This is buffalo.
Yes.
How you call this?
Joey.
Joey. Yes. So buffalo is called
Joey.
together.
Joey.
And the next one is what? How do you call this?
Hyena.
Hyena. And hyena is called Ondiek.
Ondiek.
Ondiek. Say Ondiek.
Ondiek.
Again.
Ondiek.
Now there are 5 types of Ondiek. And we want to look at all the 5 of them.
Yeah. Sometimes.
So number 1
It's called.
is called Nyangau. Nyangau.
Nyangau.
Nyangau.
Together. Nyangau.
The second one is called Otoyo.
Otoyo.
Can you say Otoyo?
Otoyo.
Again?
Otoyo.
Yes, Otoyo. The third one is called Nyandewo.
Nyandewo.
Again.
Nyandewo.
And the fourth one is called Apondo.
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 Hey, careful. Apondo.
Apondo.
Together.
Apondo.
The last one is called Nyangi.
Nyanyi.
Again.
Nyanyi.
Nyangi.
Nyanyi.
Good.
Nyanyi.
Together.
Nyanyi.
Good. That is hyenas. Then we move on to this. What is this? Can you call this? That's a what?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. And the crocodile is called
Nyanyi.
Nyang.
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 That's a rhino. Rhino. This is rhino.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
How do you say this?
Onga.
Omuga.
Omunga.
Omuga.
Omuga.
Yes.
Together.
Sometimes people call it omega.
Omega.
Yes.
Yeah, they mean rhino.
Together.
Omuga. A gazelle is called
Oh.
Swara.
Swara.
Now, that's the Swahili name of a gazelle.
Yeah.
Swahili name is called Swara.
Swara.
But in Luo you call it Ogunde.
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 Ogunde. Together.
Ogunde.
The next video is just gonna be
Wait.
called
The next one is what is this?
Tiger.
And tiger is called what?
Quatch.
What?
Quatch.
You said it the right way. So tiger is quatch.
Quatch.
Say quatch.
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 Nikki say quatch.
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 And cheetah is called Liwindi. Liwindi.
No, you have to say.
You see this DH? You say this is D. Liwindi. Say Liwindi. Again. Liwindi. Monkey is called Onger.
Onger.
Together again.
Onger.
Now a warthog. You know a warthog?
Yes.
Warthog.
Yes.
A warthog
A warthog.
is called Mbidi.
Mbidi.
Again.
Nyabidi.
Mbidi.
Mbidi.
No, Mbidi.
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 Good.
Together.
Mbidi.
Fox. A fox is called Bue. Bue.
Bue.
Bue.
Bue.
Bue.
Bue.
Together.
Bue.
And what's this?
This is called an elephant.
An elephant. And an elephant is called
Lich.
Liech. Yes.
Liech.
Liech. Say Liech.
Rich.
Liech.
Rich.
Liech.
So together we say,
Liech.
what is this?
call a deer
A deer. And how do you call a deer?
a bar.
A boor.
A boar?
A boor, yes. Deer is called a boor.
I just want to call it a bar.
No, it's easier to call it a boor, okay?
Okay, because it doesn't have a B sound.
It has a B sound. It's right here.
No, it's like I said a boar.
Yes.
A bar. It's
A par.
a bar has an A on it.
Yeah,
A
but a
par.
boor has a U on it. And there's a U right here.
A par is number 10. A bull
no B
is-
on it.
Yeah, there's a B.
I'm talking about the second word.
Oh, yeah, okay. You're right. And the next one is kangaroo. No, not kangaroo. This is what? An
Oryx.
An oryx. An oryx is called
Omoro.
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 Together.
Omoro. And I even
How about an ox?
an ox.
Yeah. an
We already
ox.
did that one. We already did
So-
that one.
No, we don't. We did not.
All I know is the
Yes, we
plural
did
of
ox.
ox
We-
is oxen.
We did ox yesterday.
Yesterday?
No, we did ox already.
Oh, yeah, we did. Now, the next one is ostrich.
Ostrich?
You know an ostrich?
Yes.
Did you see an ostrich?
Yes.
There is a
Where?
picture here.
Where?
Like I saw one from the zoo.
From the zoo?
Yeah, a different one.
Yeah,
No?
here's a picture of the zoo and here's another picture of the one we just found.
So, the ostrich is called udo.
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 Together.
Udo. Hippopotamus.
It's called.
Have you ever seen a hippopotamus?
Yes.
Where?
I saw it in a different zoo.
No, you didn't see it in the zoo. You saw it in the lake.
Hippopotamus? You've
It
seen it?
doesn't live there.
Don't you remember when you were eating fish and then you saw the hippopotamus at the lake?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
No, I didn't.
Good. Anyway, hippopotamus is called rao.
Row.
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 Rao.
Row.
Wait.
Row.
Say rao.
Row.
Row.
Rao.
A row.
Now I want to teach you a rhyme. Say rao luor liel.
Yeah.
Raul wol yell.
I need to say rao luor liel.
Raul wol yell.
Liel luor rao.
Yell wol raw.
No, you have to be careful because everyone is looking at you. So okay, now let's say it together. Rao luor liel.
Raul wol yell.
Liel luor rao.
Yell wol raw.
Rao luor liel.
Yeah.
Rao
Row.
luor
More.
liel.
Yeah. Liam.
Liel
Liam.
luor
More.
rao.
Row.
Good. Nikki, can you say that?
Raul wol yell.
Hey, you didn't say the right
Raul
word.
wol yell.
Now the next one is called a mouse. Do you know a mouse?
Yes, a mouse is tiny that fits inside a hole, but cat tries to get him.
That's correct. That's called oyeyo.
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 Good.
Together.
Oyeyo. Together.
Oyeyo.
Now there is something called a mole.
A mole.
And a mole,
A mole tries
You know a
to
mole?
dig.
yes, that mole. It's called fuko.
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 Mfuko.
Fuko.
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 Or
Fuko.
some people call it buyu.
Buyu.
Again,
Buyu.
buyu. Yes. Then there's a bird. There's a bird called the egret.
England.
The egret is called okok.
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 Together.
Okok. And the last one is
Is
a bird.
that.
And a bird is called.
There's two ways to say it.
Yes, there's two ways to say it. The first way is hanyenya. Say hanyenya.
Hanyenya.
Say
Hanyenya.
hanyenya.
Yeah, hyena.
And the second way is oliktiga.
Oliktiga.
Oliktiga. Again,
Oliktiga.
oliktiga. All right.
Goodbye.
Bye.
No, wait. Now you have to finish the video. You have to use this mic now. So finish
Wait,
the
I
video.
have another video. I
Finish?
mean an
No.
idea.
Wait.
Oriti.
Oriti.
Goodbye.
How do you say goodbye in Luo?
Oriti.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Can you say oliktiga?
Oliktiga.
Oliktiga.
Wait.
Oliktiga.
Oliktiga.
Again?
Oliktiga.
Yes, oliktiga. So we've now learned about the animals
And wild
and how to do what?
animals.
Yeah,
Wild animals
yeah.
and domestic animals. And Nikki is going to tell us about it. Yeah.
Hi. Nikki answer.
Wait. After
Tony,
5
start.
seconds.
Start, Tony. No, talk. Introduce us.